Welcome to Digital Wealth Tips. In today's video, we'll explore an exciting topic: selling your own digital products, such as ebooks and online courses. We'll show you how to leverage your knowledge and passion for teaching to create a successful online business. Selling own digital products allows you to turn your skills, knowledge, and expertise into a lucrative business. Ebooks and online courses are becoming increasingly popular as people worldwide crave new knowledge and skills to help them in personal and professional development. Before we dive into creating digital products, let's highlight some key advantages. Digital products allow you to infinitely replicate and deliver them to customers immediately after purchase. Additionally, you have no physical costs like production or storage. This means greater scalability and profitability. The first step in creating digital products is choosing a topic that you are passionately interested in and knowledgeable about. It's also essential to understand your target audience and their needs. Market research will help you identify specific problems your products can solve. Once you have your topic and target audience, it's time to create content. If you opt for an ebook, write informative and engaging content that provides value to your readers. If you choose an online course, structure it to lead learners through a progressive learning process. Choosing the right platform to sell your digital products is crucial. There are numerous platforms that facilitate the sale of ebooks and courses, such as Udemy, Teachable, Gumroad, and others. Select the one that best suits your needs and goals. After creating your products and setting them up on the platform, it's time for marketing and promotion. Utilize social media, email marketing, blogs, and other channels to reach your target audience. Offer free samples and previews to attract customers. Once sales start coming in, it's essential to regularly track results and improve your products. Listen to your audience's feedback and use it to enhance the content and structure of your ebooks and courses. Selling own digital products can open the doors to financial independence and professional success. Follow the steps we explored today and turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the topic of selling own digital products, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the Digital Wealth Tips channel to stay updated with new content. See you in the next video.